Okay, let us quickly solve this Olympiad math problem. We are given that 7 raised power x minus 1 is equal to 5. Then we are now asked to find 7 raised power x plus 1. Okay, this is very simple. Let's start from what we are given. They gave us 7 raised power x minus 1 is equal to what? 5. Now, this is same as saying 7 raised power x divided by 7 raised power 1. Because according to indices, what brought about this minus was because of divide. Okay, is equal to what? 5. Now, what do we do? 7 raised power 1 is same thing as 7. So if I cross multiply, I'm going to have that 7 raised power x is equal to what? This time, this will give you 35. Okay. Now, let us multiply both sides by 7. Okay. If I decide to multiply both sides by 7, I'm going to have that 7 times 7 raised power x is equal to what? 35 times 7. Okay. So let me quickly solve it here. So this is going to be 7 raised power 7 is 7 starting alone is something as 7 raised power 1. Okay, if you are multiplying according to indices, it's going to be x plus 1. Okay, is equal to 7 times 35 will give you 7 times 35 will give you 2245. Okay, so this is very, very simple. So the answer to this is simply 245. So thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.